Hi, I'm Rick, and today we will be reviewing procedural safeguards, better known as your parents' rights for your child who has special educational needs. Procedural safeguards are legal rights that protect the interests of parents and their children with disabilities who receive special education services in a public school district. These safeguards ensure that parents are informed, involved, and have the opportunity to challenge decisions made by the school district regarding their child's education. These procedural safeguards include the following. Number 1 is the right to receive prior written notice before the school district proposes or refuses to initiate or change the identification, evaluation, or educational placement of your child. For example, if the school district wants to move your child from a general education classroom to a self-contained classroom, they must notify the parents in writing and explain the reasons for the change, approval, or disapproval of any services, supports, evaluation requests, or placement. Keep in mind that the school district cannot change anything without your approval first. Number 2 is the right to consent to or decline any evaluation, reevaluation, or initial provision of special education and related services for your child. For example, if the school district wants to conduct a psychological assessment of your child, the school district must obtain your consent before doing so. You can also refuse to consent if you do not agree with the need for the assessment. Number 3 is the right to participate in meetings related to the development, review, and revision of your child's individualized education program, IEP. For example, if the school district holds an IEP meeting to discuss your child's goals, services, and accommodations, they must invite you to attend and consider your input. Number 4 is the right to request an independent educational evaluation, IEEs, of your child at public expense if you disagree with the evaluation conducted by the school district. For example, if you are not satisfied with the results of the school district's evaluation of your child's academic skills, you can request an IEE by a qualified professional who is not employed by the school district. Number 5 is the right to examine all educational records pertaining to your child and to obtain copies of those records. For example, if you want access to your child's progress reports, test scores, or disciplinary records, you can request access to those documents from the school district. Number 6 is the right to file a complaint with the school district or request a due process hearing if you have a dispute with the school district over your child's special education program or services. For example, if you believe that your child is not receiving adequate services or is being denied FAPE, you can file a complaint with the state education agency or request a due process hearing to resolve the issue. Number 7 is the right to be represented by an attorney of your choice in any proceedings related to your child's special education. For example, if you decide to request a due process hearing, you can hire an attorney to represent you and help you prepare your case. Finally, you have the right to receive a copy of these safeguards at least once a year and upon your request. Procedural safeguards are an important part of the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, IDEA, which is the federal law that governs special education in the United States. You should familiarize yourself with these rights and exercise them as needed to ensure that your child receives a free and appropriate public education, FAPE, in the least restrictive environment, LRE, possible. If you feel that you may need a special education advocate, please feel free to contact us for more information. On behalf of ABC4 IEP, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you at your next IEP meeting.